Imagine you and your loved one exploring the wonders of nature together, without worrying about emptying your pockets. But without the right camper van, this is not possible. That's why we have picked these 5 amazingly affordable camper vans that would just be the right fit for your couple adventures. Let's take a look.
Motorhome Luxury.
The first couple-friendly camper van on our list is the Campervans Baseline Duo 540, and it comes with an unusual interior layout, starting at a price range of $60,000. Based on the Citroën Jumper L2H2 chassis, the camper van comes with a 140 horsepower engine that would be efficient enough to take you and your partner almost anywhere you want. Things are made even more convenient for you with the compact size and design of this van, with its dimensions being 17.71 feet and 6.72 feet in length and width. The exterior body looks really sleek and sharp with the aerodynamic design of the van. Some key things to look out for in the exterior include multiple windows, a 13.2-gallon freshwater tank, and a wide sliding door that comes with electric assistive steps to ensure a hassle-free entry inside the van. But what is on the inside is another great surprise, one that both you and your partner will love. Getting inside the Duo 540, the first word that'll come to your mind is incredible. Despite having such a compact build, Campervans have managed to utilize the interior so strategically that you feel a lot more space than it actually is. Just ahead of the entry door is going to be your kitchen countertop and the small fridge on the side of it. You can open it from inside or outside the van, enhancing accessibility. The kitchen itself looks very sorted with a 2-burner gas stove, a covered sink with a faucet, along with some drawers in which you can store your kitchen utensils and other essentials. Just in front of the kitchen is going to be the wet bath area, which for a compact van of this size is quite good. It has a toilet, a sink, a mirror, and of course a shower head as well. For better privacy, you also have a sliding door for the bathroom. However, what's going to excite you the most is at the back of the van. Going past the kitchen, you will have an amazing dinette booth setup with sofa chairs on both sides and a table in the middle, which looks very premium and luxurious. But that's not it. There is a sliding bed just above that comes right on top of the dinette booth during the night and makes plenty of space for 2 people to sleep. A very comfortable sleep. There are even large storage compartments on the sidewalls, and there is an enormous wardrobe just ahead of the bathroom that gives you plenty of space to store both your clothes and important stuff without messing things up. And to make your time more romantic and beautiful, the skylight and the rear door are there. In our previous camper van compilation video, a lot of you asked us to bring an American camper van on our list. Well, here it is, and it has some really unique features in store. But beware, American items don't usually come cheap. This is the Tranquility 19M from Thor Motorcoach that comes with some really cool features, including a flexible kitchen setup and a super innovative bedroom that you've never seen before, all starting at $193,200. Based on the premium Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. The dimensions are 19 feet 8 inches in length, 7 feet 8 inches in width, and 10 feet 6 inches in height. The exterior design looks quite elegant and premium, and has some practical features such as the beautiful awning, plenty of windows. There is also a toilet cassette option on the exterior, so if you prefer that, that's there too. As soon as you slide the main entry door, the assistive steps would come out to help you get more conveniently inside the van. But before you even get inside, you can see this extendable kitchen countertop that unfolds and gives you additional space to install an induction cooktop here, enjoy your breakfast together, or just attach a music box and listen to cool music together. But you guys won't be living outside forever, would you? Let's get inside and see what surprise Thor has for us. The first interesting thing that'll catch your attention as you get inside the van is the dinette booth that comes with a swiveling table that can also be used to play games and hang out together. The chairs in the driver's cabin can easily swivel around and complement the dinette sofas to make a very comfortable dinette set. There is also a smart TV mounted on the sidewall so you can watch your favorite movies and shows with your partner quite comfortably. Just opposite the dinette set is the kitchen countertop that's quite special. It doesn't have a regular gas cooktop, and that saves you a lot of space. Instead, it has a removable induction cooktop that you can even take outside and work on that extendable countertop with the awnings on, making a perfect outdoor dinner. The kitchen also has a sink and plenty of drawers to store your kitchen items. Moving ahead, you get a 12-volt mid-size refrigerator and a microwave oven to make things even better for you. The 19M comes with a wet bath, which is what you usually get in a camper van of this range. However, the bathroom looks quite comfortable with the toilet, sink, mirror, and some drawers to store your toiletries. There's even a privacy curtain if you want to use that. But let's come to the highlight of this camper van, the feature that makes it a steal deal for couples. At the back, you get a comfortable double bed installed on a bamboo bed platform, allowing you and your partner to sleep comfortably during the night. But you won't be sleeping all day long, will you? When you don't want to sleep, you can simply unfold the bed and put the cushions in the side nets to make yourself a little garage that can store your e-bikes and a lot of other things on your camping trips. To make things even more interesting, there is a large lockable storage compartment on the floor in which you can keep your rifles, hunting gear, or many other things that'll help you and your partner enjoy a fabulous camping trip together with zero problems. Isn't that fantastic? I know what the problem with this one is, the massive price tag. Well, worry not. Here is another equally worthy camper van that costs so less. Presenting to you, the Possl Summit 540 Prime right from the heart of Europe that comes out as your perfect couple-friendly camper van, starting at a price range of $62,000. The van comes with a very compact design, with its dimensions being 17.7 feet, 6.72 feet, and 8.46 feet in length, width, and height, allowing you to access remote locations or navigate through narrow lanes without any fuss. The design of the van looks quite interesting as well. It carries a very minimal design that speaks of comfort and ease. The exterior features include a wonderful skylight on the roof, a beautiful sliding door with assistive steps, a 26.4-gallon freshwater tank. Speaking of the inside, that's where you and your loved one is going to be, right? So, let's see what it has got. Getting inside the van, you will directly face the dinette booth and the driver's cabin. It is a typical dinette booth that you find in this class of camper van, with a double-seater sofa on one side of the flexible table and the swiveling chairs in the driver's cabin making it even more beautiful. There is also a beautiful window on the side wall with fabulous lighting that'll make your meals even more romantic and pleasing. To make things even more beautiful and natural, the roof skylight is there as well. The kitchen is just beside the sliding door, and it's a beautiful setup that'll fulfill your couple goals. You've got a 2-burner gas stove, a spacious sink with a faucet, and plenty of countertop space to work on. If that's not enough, there is even an extendable countertop. You get a small refrigerator on the side of the countertop that can be opened from inside as well as outside, enhancing your flexibility. Plus, there are plenty of storage compartments to store your kitchen essentials. The Summit 540 comes with a swing wall bathroom that is adorned with premium items and fantastic lighting that give it a very ecstatic look. It includes a smart toilet with automatic buttons, a beautiful sink, and a very good shower space once you swivel the sink section around. Let's now come to the bedroom, because as a couple, comfort should be on your priority list, right? Possl has got you all set with its super comfortable double bed setup, which beauty is further enhanced with a wonderful lighting setup, plenty of windows, and the huge storage compartments on the side walls that solve your storage problem as well. What else would you be looking for? Well, what about a super luxurious lounge area that's not anywhere else? You've got it. Yes, in our next camper van for couples, you will get a very unique floor plan, one that you'll definitely love. The camper van that we are talking about is none other than the Thor Rize 18M, which starts at a price range of $137,000. Yes, it doesn't really fall under the category of cheap camper vans, but that's what you get from American RVs, don't you? This 17 feet 11 inches long compact camper van carries a very minimal and aerodynamic exterior design, with a nice awning and a bike rack in the rear being the highlight. The freshwater tank is 21 gallons, and the black water is 11 gallons, which means you can easily go on a weekend trip with your partner without worrying about water and waste. However, the interior is where the main fun lies. Stepping inside the van, you can see an amazing lounge area which includes 2 big sofas and a removable cup holder. But it's not just any sofa. Once you remove the table and the cup holders and pull out the sofa, it becomes a fantastic double bed that'll provide undisturbed sleep to you and your partner. In the whole living area, Thor has installed multiple storage compartments to solve all your storage issues right away. And then comes the kitchen area that is equally fabulous. It includes a 2-burner gas stove, a sink with a faucet, a small refrigerator with a dedicated freezer compartment on the side of the countertop, and plenty of drawers in which you can keep the cups, plates, and other kitchen essentials. Moving past the pull-out sofa, there is a narrow yet long storage section with multiple drawers that can efficiently store different items. Your card games, snacks, clothes, smart devices, and so much more. But where is the bathroom? Well, it's right at the back of the camper van and is a very special one too. The Rize 18M has a mix of interior and exterior wet bath that allows you to take a shower either inside the camper or outside, whatever you prefer. It comes with a toilet, a hidden sink, plenty of storage, and privacy curtains that make it one of the best bathroom setups we've seen so far in this video. What would you prefer, bathing inside or outside? Up next, we have a very special camper van that is going to blow your mind with its innovative bathroom. Let's see. This is the Globecar Roadscout R540 that starts at a price range of $92,700 and offers some really interesting features such as blacked-out windows, a very cool bathroom, and plenty of storage space. The exterior carries a sleek aerodynamic design and is 17 feet 11 inches long, only so it's very easy to take through difficult terrains and narrow lanes. The exterior highlight includes a pop-up skylight roof, plenty of windows for natural light and air, a 26.4-gallon fresh water tank, and a disposable toilet cassette that makes everything so much easier. Stepping inside, you will probably encounter the best interior setup that we have seen in this video. In front of the door, you have a beautiful dinette booth with a double-seater sofa on one side of the flexible dining table and the swiveling captain chairs in the driver's cabin that do the rest. Thanks to its magnificent design, the interior looks so spacious, and as a couple, you would have plenty of space to do your things without disturbing the other. For storage as well, there are multiple storage compartments installed on the side walls of the dining area, kitchen, as well as the bedroom that allow you to store all your things safely and securely. The kitchen is pretty much similar to what we saw in the Possl Summit 540. A 2-burner gas stove, a sink, a small refrigerator on the side countertop, and multiple drawers beneath the kitchen countertop to offer storage space for your cooking essentials. It's now time for the highlight of this camper van, the bathroom. The R540 comes with a wet bath setup that might deceive you at first glance. It looks quite small and you may wonder, do I need to take a shower on the toilet? But that's where the fun lies. The van comes with a sliding door that extends all the way to the kitchen via the rails on the floor, creating an enormous shower space. Apart from this, the bathroom includes a toilet, a foldable sink, a mirror, and some cabinets to store your toiletries. The bedroom is equally beautiful and has everything to be your favorite place as a couple. You get a huge double bed on which you and your partner can sleep very comfortably without struggling for space. The bedroom is made even more cozy with the LED lighting setup. And the best part? You can simply fold the bed and move it sideways to make a pass-through area that offers huge space. Isn't that amazing? So, which one are you going to pick for your next couple camping trip? Still want a cheaper van for your adventure? Then click on this video and we'll see you soon at a new luxury motorhome.